This is a special report from About Space Today.
Welcome to Special Report. I'm David Denault, and I'm glad you joined me today because you're about to learn that an ancient planet has been hiding inside Earth for 4 billion years. A story from ancient aliens or the X-Files? You'll want to hear the rest of the story next as America and the world is listening to Special Report on About Space Today. Come to the land of orange groves and palm trees. Come to the land of theme parks. Come to the land of sunny beaches and the azure waters of the Atlantic Ocean. So come and visit Florida for lasting memories. Email us. Email david.ddcruiseandtours@gmail.com or call D&D Cruise and Tours at 877-747-8631 for your next family, cruise, or theme park vacation. Let us provide you your next visit with our travel experience, not experimentation. We are members of IATAN and CLIA. Email david.ddcruiseandtours@gmail.com. Serving the Southeast, traveler since 1985. Welcome back. Scientists say that if you peered well beneath the surface of the Earth, you would see two enormous rock blobs encircling the planet's core, like a pair of hands. The origin of these enigmatic continent-sized formations has intrigued and confused geologists for decades.
It is generally believed that about 4.5 billion years ago, some space object the size of Mars collided with the Earth, and from the scattered debris then formed the Moon. This object was named planet Theia. In 2020, evidence was found that some of Theia's matter remained inside the Moon, and the results of a new study conducted by scientists from the United States, Britain, and China suggest that the remains of Theia may be present in the depths of the Earth. If that's indeed the case, then researchers have managed to unravel the mystery that has puzzled geologists for decades. What are two Aries, the diameter of each of which is tens of miles, lying deep in the mantle of the Earth at a depth of almost 2,000 miles, differentiated from the surrounding rock by its properties? One of these areas lies beneath Africa and the other beneath the Pacific Ocean. These clots are denser than the rest of the mantle, and seismic waves travel through them more slowly. Researchers simulated on the computer processes that could occur at the collision of the Earth with Theia, and concluded that these mysterious clots of matter in the Earth's mantle may well be the substance that got there from Theia. Scientists estimate that the alien matter accounts for 2 to 3% of the Earth's mass. The density of this substance is 2 to 3.5% higher than the density of the Earth's mantle, and in addition, it contains more iron. Scientists plan to compare the chemical composition of the lunar debris of Theia and those that are deep in the Earth's mantle. If the results coincide, it will allow a new look at the history of the formation of our planet and the solar system as a whole. Meanwhile, in the desert on the border between Libya and Egypt found a fragment of meteorite, which is not only older than the Sun, but most likely came to Earth from another galaxy.
So what if a planet named Theia collided with Earth 4.5 billion years ago? What really happened? Well, geologists at Caltech say that after the collision, Theia was split into pieces.
In the aftermath of this collision, it's usually thought that material from Theia mixed with Earth's mantle, so that the planet and the newborn moon shared the same general composition. But the Caltech researchers suggested that instead, large clumps of Theia stayed intact and sank towards Earth's core like blobs of wax in a lava lamp. The scientists modeled a range of different possible scenarios for what Theia might have been made of and how it collided with Earth. And sure enough, the simulations resulted in the creation of both the Moon and the LLVPs. After the collision, while Theia and Earth were one big gooey mess, parts of Theia's mantle clumped together and crystallized into two iron-rich blobs within Earth's. The simulations showed that energy released during the impact melted Earth's upper mantle and crust, but didn't reach the lower mantle, leaving it cooler than other models have predicted. That let the Theia blobs stay intact while they drifted down to where the mantle meets the outer core, where they've lurked ever since. It's an intriguing story, but one that would need further investigation to confirm either way. In future work, the researchers plan to study how these structures might have influenced Earth's history.
What other new planetary discoveries await? Well, geologists will continue to study the Theia ancient planet collision. And has it been hiding inside Earth for 4.5 billion years? Thanks for joining me from your home or where you work. I'm David Denault, and this has been Special Report on About Space Today.
This has been a special report from About Space Today.